In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make $100 per day promoting your affiliate links with Facebook groups. Now, Facebook and Facebook groups is still a very good opportunity for a number of reasons. One, there are billions of active users every single month. Two, if you show consistent and persistent effort with your Facebook group, Facebook will start recommending your group to people that are interested. Facebook's algorithm knows exactly who's interested in what, and so they will easily recommend your group to people that need or are interested in your topic. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get started. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook group so that you can start getting leads relatively fast, and how you can start seeding your Facebook group so that you can grow much faster than the usual time that it takes. Now, if you are just going to create the Facebook group and upload content, it could take you a few weeks to a few months to start getting people that are interested in your group organically. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick tip that you can actually seed your Facebook group to get going. So the first thing that we need to do is obviously go ahead and create a group. And to do that, go over to facebook.com. At the top right here, you're going to click on create, and then we're going to create a group. Now, the cool thing is these groups are 100% free. What you need to do, first things first, is give your group name whatever niche you're in. So let's say you want to talk about making money online or promoting your affiliate links. Your group name should be whatever your target audience is interested in. We could name our group how to promote, let's say how to promote affiliate links. That's a good place to start, affiliate links for beginners. So if someone stumbles across this page and they want to get started with affiliate marketing, they're going to see how to promote affiliate links for beginners, and they're going to think, yes, I want this. This is something that's for me. The next thing that you can do is you can choose between public or private. To start out, I choose public so more people can see, but eventually switch it over to private. So you have to be a member in order to gain access. You can invite friends, but that's not important right now. So we're going to choose public, and then we're going to create a group. So when I click on create, this is going to obviously work in the background and create the group. What we need to do is we need to jump over to Canva and create a cover photo. So I'm just going to click on this Canva logo here. And the cool thing with Canva, it's 100% free, and they have different templates for you to use. So we're going to say something like Facebook cover photo. Let's try Facebook group cover because I think there are different dimensions. So we'll do a Facebook group cover, and it's going to come up with the right dimension. So that's pretty cool. What I recommend is that you have an image of your face, and let me zoom out of this just a little bit. And you want to add a call to action. So you want to tell them to subscribe. Let's see, we'll go down to 100. Maybe we'll go down to 70. We'll go down to 50. So what I did with mine is I did a shape here. And again, all of this is free. And what we can do is we can select a shape. I believe I did this shape like this. And you can make this as cute or detailed as you want. And then I just changed the color here. Changed it to this. And we click that. And then I added my image here, and then I added some text. Now, when it comes to the text, you're probably going to have to play around with it a little bit because the dimensions don't easily translate. We'll call our group name how to promote affiliate links for beginners. All right, so we've got that. I would probably want to reduce the size here just a little bit. And then I'm going to change let me get rid of that. I'm going to change this so that it is, all right, so we'll change this, we'll do permanent marker for now. So I'm going to adjust the size here, drag this up, and then I'm going to copy and paste. I like to have a little call to action. We'll say free training for group members. And then let's see, we could actually extend this a little bit. Now, again, you want to be aware of the dimensions, and you'll have to spend a couple minutes playing around with it because this doesn't cleanly import the correct dimension. So we'll say click to join. And then we just download this. I have a picture of mine, a picture of me and mine so people can see that I'm a real person. And we'll say click to join. I spelled join wrong, but that's okay. So then we download this and then we upload it into our cover photo. And then we can move on to the next step. The next step is really to just fill out the information so that people know what this group is all about. And what I recommend that you do is use keywords that people would be searching for, because this is going to help Facebook find people for this group. So I'm just going to scroll through here. You can create a post, add a description. That's what we would want to do. And go out, spend a couple minutes and do a little bit of keyword research and figure out what people want to what people want to know when it comes to your niche. So if I paste this, ooh, that didn't work out too well. So I have a couple keywords here. What is happening? So I have a couple keywords here that I'm going to copy over. As you can see, I want to use these. And what I can do is maybe add 10 or 15 keywords just to let the group members know what this group is all about, and B, to let Facebook know what this group is all about. So what you want to do is you want to make this into actual sentences and human readable sentences and words. So I would say, hello and welcome to this group. This group is all about showing people how to promote ClickBank products with Facebook ads. This group is a engaging group that is designed to help people and show people the best ways on how to promote ClickBank products with Google Ads. So we go through, we do that for a number of keywords, we click save, and then we move on to the next step. So that is usually the only thing you need to get up and running. You can go through the settings if you want and make some modifications there. Again, we've got the name of the description, we've got the privacy, we want the group visible, and then you can do the location United States. You don't have to do that. Web address, not important. Some of this stuff isn't important. What you do want to do is you want to change the group type to education, social learning. So you change it to social learning. That's going to help Google and people see that you have free training to give them. You can show progress, you can create units. What I recommend that you do is create some free training in your unit. So you can either create the training yourself, or you can provide links to training, or you can find PLR products that have different training. Another thing that I recommend is you ask people to enter in their email address in one of the 3 questions that you can ask people to ask before joining the group. So if I scroll down here, who can post? Anyone can post. I would change that to, you want to make sure that you're moderating it, because oftentimes with a lot of these groups, people will just mass join and they'll spam their affiliate links. So they'll spam links in general. My rule is I have to manually approve everyone that joins the group, and B, I have to manually approve any posts. So people can't just spam their links. And I also tell them up front that if you are going to spam your links, I'm going to ban you from the group. So those are all things that you should be aware of. Who is pre-approved to join the group? Nobody. Who can approve member requests? I would make that to admins and you only. Who can join the group? We can change that to profiles or profiles and pages. I have it only on profiles, I believe. If we scroll up, again, social learning, mentorship guides, group affiliation, badges, color. So that's really the only things that you need to take care of when it comes to creating a group. All right, so the one thing that I was looking for is right here, membership questions. You can add up to 3 questions to ask people. So you can say, how did you hear about this group? And what I'm looking for is, I'm not looking for some great answer. I just want to make sure that this person is human, they can read English or the language that you're creating content in, because again, you're going to have people that are doing searches for like affiliate marketing, and they're going in with the mindset that they're just going to spam their link, and the old spray and pray method that I call it, they're going to spam their affiliate links and hope for the best. So if we click on save here, you can add that one, you can create another one, and you can put required. What is your email address? And some people just won't feel comfortable entering in their email address. That's fine. They don't have to be a part of your group. There are millions, if not billions, of people using Facebook. It's okay. And then you can also add some group rules. I tell people, hey, no affiliate links, no spamming. Make sure that you're courteous, be respectful, and then move on. This is how you create a group overall. The next step is to find a way to quickly seed your group. And the easiest way to seed your group is to go up and type in your niche, affiliate marketing. Got to get rid of the all and then you are going to go down to groups, and you are going to join these groups, and you're going to become an active participant. And what I mean by active participant, you are going to you're going to post helpful information to show people that you're a real person and that you're not a spammer. One of the things that you'll find with these groups is there are a ton of spammers. As you can see here, people are just spamming their affiliate links or links in general and hoping that someone will buy. Earn very good money, $4,000 to $8,000 per day. WhatsApp me with your good name. Apparently this works. Doesn't work very often, but as you can see, someone put interested. This may or may not be helpful. This person below is posting their Telegram without any information or context. So when this happens, there will be people within this group that get turned off. If we search spammers, for example, you will see frequently people will say, hey, is there anyone that's not a spammer? A spammer in this group will never succeed this year. Facebook should take care of those spammer Telegram because it's too hard for all admin. As you can see, people are pretty fed up when it comes to spammers within these groups. So what you're going to do is you're simply just going to post helpful content. What you can do is you can jump back over to Canva, and we're going to go to Facebook Post this time. Facebook Post. And again, Canva has some templates that you can use. I like to start off with a blank slate. I'm going to adjust this. What we can do is we can start off and we can create helpful infographics that are solving people's problems. So if I click on this, and again, I'm not going to spend 20 minutes creating a perfect one, but I just want to show you what's out there. Again, if I do my thing here, and we have the basics of a good graphic. Now, if you don't know what to post, that's fine. You can go over to Google and type in affiliates marketing tips, and people are going to be giving you tips. You can turn this into 3 or 5 different infographics. You can say 5 affiliate marketing tips to make more money in 2021. And then you can list these, and you can list these at different tips to help people. And people that are interested, they're going to raise their hand. They're going to like the post because you're not spamming them. And they're going to click on your icon because they want to learn more about you. So the way this works is when you're posting helpful content in other people's groups, they are going to click on your name, just like this. And when they click on your name, they're going to get to your profile. Within your profile, there's a number of places that you can add links to your groups to grow your group organically. So for example, if I click on my name here, this is what my cover photo and my personal page looks like. What you'd want to do is you'd want to edit your cover photo so that it looks something like this, where people are drawn in to click this button. And when they click on the button on the right-hand side, you can have a link to your Facebook group. You can say, hey, join my Facebook group for a free training to learn affiliate marketing. Mine goes actually to a book or a blueprint to show you how to grow your Facebook business for free. Another place, you can add your link here in your photo. You can add your Facebook group link here where it says get unlimited leads for your online business fast. You can add, that could be your Facebook group link. You can also add your Facebook group link here and here in this image. So as you can see, this is a very easy way to start getting traffic to your Facebook group without you just posting incessantly. What I recommend that you do is on the Facebook group that you created, provide more helpful information. Now, one thing that you can do to shortcut this process, hire people to create different infographics for you. And the reason why you'd want to do this is if you don't have an eye for design like I don't, and you want something relatively fast and cheap, they will create different infographics for you for as low as $5 or $10. So what you can do is you can jump over to these different groups and simply post the infographic and let people come to you. You're going to funnel them right into you. That is how I was able to seed my Facebook group unbelievably fast, by just adding helpful content, posting twice per day in my first personal Facebook group, but more importantly, going to where there are hundreds of thousands of members and actually adding content. If I search this, let me see if I can find a post of mine. All right, so I click that. As you can see, these are all different posts that I've made. This one from December, so it's been a while that I've done it. 2 people, 3 people raised their hand and said, this is good content, and I could reach out to them individually. But for me, it's easier for them to come to me or click on my icon or avatar and see that I'm providing helpful content. As you can see, Jeremiah here gave me a thumbs up multiple times, and I've added a ton of these people to my Facebook group just by adding valuable content and not saying anything else, not spamming my link, not spraying and praying, just adding simple, easy to understand information just once or twice per day. What you should do is join 5 or 6 of these groups and add these images frequently, once a day, to 5 or 6 of these groups. So what I do, or what I've done, is I stagger out the image. So on day 1, or in group 1, I'll send image 1. In group 2, I'll send image 2, and I'll just rotate them throughout the day, throughout the weeks and months, so that the same people, the same group, isn't getting the same images over and over again. And just do that. You can do that for any niche. I like to help people and show people how to make money online, but this works for any niche: dog training, basket weaving, rocket science, whatever it may be. Now that you know how to get started with Facebook groups for free, click the first link in my description or go to alstongodbolt.com for a free training to learn affiliate marketing step by step. Click that first link in the description if you want to learn how to get started with high-ticket affiliate marketing step by step. Also, watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.